Watch your starboard side, keep it coming up slow.
Roger, slow and steady, we're almost clear of the surface.
Flaps 20, auto throttle armed.
Set flaps 20, auto throttle armed. Takeoff configuration normal.
Check.
We have breaking news regarding Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. Air traffic control lost contact just moments ago.
We just want to know what happened to them. It's been so long.
We will not give up hope. We demand answers.
Look at the size of that contact. It's huge. I'm tracking it now. Definitely artificial.
Bring her down slowly, we're hitting the current.
Copy that. Adjusting ballast.
Watch the tether tension.
The current is too strong. We're losing stabilization.
Maintain pressure. Ignore the warning. Secure the coupling now.
If we cross-reference the drift analysis with the bathymetry.
The probability heat map shifts slightly north.
Agreed. We deploy the AUV for a closer look this morning.
The structural integrity reading is holding steady. It survived the descent.
Confirmed. Marking the debris radius now for the submersible team.
We're seeing signal degradation at this connection point.
The impact analysis correlates with that failure.
We prioritize this section for recovery.
Deck crew to command, the rig is approaching the waterline. Descent parameters are stable.
Roger that. Continue monitoring tension.
That current spike is higher than predicted.
No. It's putting too much strain on the ascent structure. We're exceeding the safety margin.
Watch your starboard side. Keep it coming up slow.
Roger, slow and steady. We're almost clear of the surface.
Careful, it's slick right here. Get a sample of that fluid.
Affirmative. Readings confirm biohazard presence.
The reading on the titanium is stable. Check the carbon fiber joint here. I'm seeing an anomaly.
Check section 4, item B.
Affirmative. We need a high-res shot of that compromised beam before we move anything.
This is where the answers lie.
These fuselage bends are inconsistent with an uncontrolled crash.
They point directly to a controlled ditching sequence.
Bridge, this is the starboard tug, maintaining course 090.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.
Look at the fluctuation on the thermal readings right here.
I see it. Let's cross-reference with the sonar profile.
Listen. The storm cell has intensified directly in our path. We need to divert north now.
Bridge to control. Confirm transit approval for the Yangtze Arrow.
Copy that.
We need a full scan of the rear fuselage section immediately. The damage extends past Station 40.
Bring her up another 10 feet, slowly.
Copy that, lifting to 10 feet.
The wiring harness is secured.
Good. Check the voltage readout on the display.
Check the schematic for connector P32.
Confirmed. Pin assignments match the upgrade bulletin.
There it is. Right there in the residual data. They didn't wipe it completely.
Pressure holding steady on the starboard hydraulics.
Confirmation received. The indicator lights are green.
The sonic scan shows green across the board.
Readings conferred structural integrity. We are clear for sign-off.
Ladies and gentlemen, the future of flight.